If your toilet keeps running or water is mysteriously draining, a faulty fill tube causing water to siphon might be the sneaky culprit. Okay, so here's the deal. Your fill tube is that little plastic tube inside your toilet tank that refills the bowl after you flush. If it's not sitting right, water can start siphoning out when it shouldn't, which means your toilet runs all day and wastes water. First up, check if the fill tube is securely clipped above the overflow tube. Like, it should be clipped to the side of that tube, not just hanging loose. If it's shoved too deep or sitting below the overflow tube's opening, water will drain out non-stop, and that's no good. Just grab the tube and reposition it so it's clipped on top of the overflow pipe. This stops the siphoning effect. Also, make sure the fill tube isn't cracked or brittle, because then it might leak or fail to refill properly. Another tip is to check your toilet's flapper valve for leaks, since that can sometimes look like a fill tube issue but needs a different fix. Finally, after you adjust the fill tube, flush a few times to see if the running stops and no water is escaping unexpectedly. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make with this problem is not properly positioning the fill tube above the overflow pipe, which leads to constant water siphoning and higher water bills. Just clip that tube right where it belongs to fix it. Another common issue is ignoring cracks or damage in the fill tube itself. If it's old or brittle, replacing it with a new one will save you headaches and leaks. The third mistake is overlooking other toilet parts, like the flapper valve or float. Sometimes people focus only on the fill tube, but those parts might also be causing water to run non-stop. So checking them out can save you more trips and cash. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. It also helps contractors connect with people who need work done, making it easier for everyone to get reliable home repairs without all the stress.